In front of me is Realme 11 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access apps. Following that, select App Cloner and click on one of the available apps that you wish to clone. Finally, tap on the gray sweater next to Create App Clone and wait. Now you can adjust those two options however you wish to. You can rename your app and save the new name by tapping on the check mark and selecting Save at the bottom right corner of Rename App Clone pop-up. And also tap on when using quick functions and select the best option for you. When you're done, just tap on Home button. So now, when I look for my Facebook app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. In order to delete this clone, click on the same now blue sweater and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!